Hey everybody, welcome to our Bold Patents Anaheim page. I've got for you the top 5 resources that you can use right here in this city of Anaheim to help move your field forward, move your invention forward to becoming a startup. I know it can seem lonely. A lot of inventors I talk with say how difficult it can be having that core technology they know is a game changer in the world, actually getting it to become a product that they can sell in the open market and make the impact they want. So let me get to this list because I think it's going to help you realize how much great resources there are right here in Anaheim. All right, number 1, can't miss it. This is the OC Startup Council and Masterminds Workshop. This is through what's called the OC Startup Council. Please check it out. Anaheim founders can attend these masterminds, which is a collection of individuals that are also business owners. They're all going to put in their thoughts for solving one particular problem, and that could be something you're trying to solve in your business, getting it moved forward. They do high-tech, life science ventures, and they have coaching sessions where peers, other co-owners, other owners of other businesses can offer their guidance and mentorship to move you forward. And of course, you can give back and offer some words of wisdom to those that are maybe just getting started and you're a few steps ahead of them. Number 2, Operate. Please check out Operate. This is the Orange County Accelerator. And you will need to apply to this. And so I caution you, before you make the application, get with a patent attorney here at Bold Patents, have a discussion about patentability, protect with at least a pending application to get that security locked in before you go public or launch. These accelerators can help you get upwards of $1 million. Operate will do $100,000 to $750,000 per startup. They allocate it for tailored strategy and mentorship. It's active across the county, including Anaheim. Parsec Automation is a startup that just launched out of there. Parsec Automation, they're based in Anaheim. They develop manufacturing operations and software that stands out of one of OC's top tech firms. So check out Parsec Automation and Operate. Number 3, another O, it's Octane. Number 3 is Octane. This is my top 5 list. This is a top 5 US accelerator. We're talking nationally. So Octane is hosting programs like Launchpad, SBDC supported acceleration, offering capital, workspace, co-working workspace for Southern California startups. So you cannot miss Octane. This had to be on the list. They support a lot of different industries, but mainly they do support manufacturing and clean tech, green tech ventures. So please don't miss Octane. And again, make sure to protect your invention. Hire a business attorney as well if you need help forming your entity. Even something simple as an LLC can be quite complicated, especially if there are more than one founder, more than one owner that are putting their heads together. So if you're not alone on this venture, get something on paper, work with a business attorney, and then hop into Octane. Okay, number 4 is K5 Ventures. This is Anaheim and LA, of course, the larger LA area. This is a VC, which is a venture capital accelerator. They do invest up to $250,000 in tech startups. They also have some influence from Asia, including Beijing. And so they will take Anaheim-based tech inventors and propel them forward, put investment into their business and get them launched. Know that it's just not the money. Something else comes along with it is that mentorship and guidance. Super important for you as an individual technical founder to get that whole picture of someone who's been there and done that, launched and been successful in the market, and then even successfully exited and sold their company. Those are the kind of mentors you want to find when you seek and find and accept the money. So don't just take money from anywhere. Make sure you're getting both money and mentorship and guidance together. K5 Ventures is a great place to go for that. Number 5, Anaheim startup scene and the co-working ecosystem. So beyond the formal accelerators, Anaheim benefits from a growing startup scene. There are 290 companies that are listed in what's called the built-in OC list. So check out that list. Downtown, there are co-working spaces, and I can't say enough good things about co-working spaces. Yes, they do drag you out of your home office, and it can be somewhat uncomfortable to be around other people while you're working, but there's nothing like being close with other inventors, other business owners. You're going to learn a ton just from talking with them. They get it. A lot of people in your family, your friends and family, they have their employees. They don't understand what it's like to have everything on the line as an entrepreneur. So go check out this whole startup scene. Get a hold of one of these 290 plus startups that are active right here in Anaheim to get a feel for what it's like and really get in the mix. Know who's here and learn from others around you. Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, inviting you to schedule a free discovery call to get started with us to protect what you've got and then launch into some of these public places right here in Anaheim. Everybody have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.